I started my afternoon with a thorough cleanup of this living room. Well, cleaning for new season always feels refreshing. Yesterday I tied small bows on these artwork to bring the festive vibe without changing much. It is these little seasonal updates that makes our home feel alive and little more loved. Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Winter is here and with it comes the perfect excuse to cozy up our homes. As I'll be transforming my living room and dining space with simple, affordable touches, I'll share some practical, budget friendly, and carry the warmth of Indian homemaking throughout this video. For this season, I am using my DIY tablecloth made from a discounted IKEA fabric. It's one of my favorite finds, I tell you. Most of my decor in today's video is going to come from DIY projects like glass cone tree, greenery arrangement that I made in my previous video. Reusing pieces not only saves money, but I think it adds a sentimental value to your home. Over the years, I have realized the power of timeless aesthetics. While trends come and go, the classic red, white and green and neutral palettes always feel magical during this time of the year. Be a classic wreath or these cute little wooden reindeers. They add such charm to any corner. The idea is building the collection slowly with pieces that matters and is so fulfilling. Are some hacks and tips. Even if you don't celebrate or decorate for Christmas, you can still embrace the winter vibes. Like add pine cones, winter greeneries, textured pillows in grey, whites and browns to your space, and layering loads of blankets to create a cozy corner where you will love to curl up while watching TV or reading a book. For all those odd corners, fill a bowl filled with pine cones and greenery, and it is a easy and a cute solution for any decor aesthetic.
Wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing, phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on.
This is one project that inner child in me is looking forward to just enjoy it. Like, I have been waiting to try this fake snow. All you need is this snow powder and water in 1:20 ratio, and I mixed it up and it created a lovely arrangement for my console table. Just wait and see. It's simple and adds such a frosty winter touch. I am absolutely in love with it. Just see for yourself and let me know if you would try it. I'm going to use a DIY cake stand. I have a glass cloche also, so I am making a cute little arrangement depicting a winter scene. If you have watched my affordable decor DIYs and decor hacks video, then by now you already know this trick of mine. And if you haven't, then I have left a link for you in the description and on the I button. It's one of the most loved videos recently that I have made, and I'm sure you will get some idea to use everyday items. So after this video, do not forget to watch it. I am protecting my cake stand with some cling wrap and then sprinkling this snow. Though it says non-toxic and all that stuff, but I still do not want to take a chance. Remember the mini wreaths that we made in the last video? I used them to decorate the photo frame this time, and you can add them anywhere for an instant festive look. For candles, here is a tip. If you have candle holders of all similar sizes, use candles of varying height to create a visual interest. One of my favorite addition this season is these DIY pillow covers that I made from dish towels. They are simple, affordable, plus they look really stunning. I styled one of these in the cozy corners of the living room and it feels perfect for winter. If you're using a rattan tray, remember they can be a little bit bumpy. Adding a round placemat or a kitchen towel underneath can make a big difference. I'll style my coffee table with my DIY candle holder, a DIY planter with greenery arrangement, and some knick-knack like this reindeer, a thrifted glass Christmas tree, marble coasters, and a giant pine cone that we picked from our Dalhousie trip long back. Finally, I draped a soft blanket over the sofa and the room instantly feels warmer and cozier. That's it for today. This cozy winter transformation, which of these ideas inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments, please. And also, if you enjoyed this video, then you would see a major difference in my last year's video. Actually, I'll leave the whole playlist for you to enjoy in the description box. I'll leave you with the whole room tour. But please, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Do leave your comments. I will look forward reading all of them. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you.